you know your aircon could be full of mold? And you'd have no idea. Most split systems build up dust and moisture over time, especially if they're not cleaned regularly. That creates the perfect breeding ground for mold inside the unit. And every time you turn it on, it blows that air and the spores all through your home. You might not see it, but you'll feel it in your chest, your sinuses, or your sleep. Our quick service can clean it out and make your aircon safe again.